Hi children, in previous class I have explained you three question answers and I send you the answers. I hope you all are written the answers, and today I am going to explain the next activity. It is second activity. Read the given extract and answer the questions with the reference to the context. See, there are two extracts are given there. Regarding that, there are four question answers we are going to answer answer for it. Okay, see what is the first extract. The Parthenon was the largest temple of Athena, the goddess of wisdom. People were grateful to goddess Athena for inspiring them and watching over Athens. The Parthenon was the temple of goddess Athena. Who is goddess Athena? Goddess Athena is she is the goddess of Athena is a goddess of wisdom. Wisdom in the sense inspiration and knowledge. And people were grateful. People in the people who lives in Athens, they were grateful to goddess Athena. Why? Because they think or they believe that goddess Athena watching over Athens, and they get inspirations from goddess Athena. Okay, this is the extract given, and the first extract what is given there. And the first question is, who was Athena? Who was Athena? Athena was goddess of wisdom. Right. What is the answer? Athena was the goddess of wisdom. Wisdom in the sense inspiration and knowledge. Okay. And why were, second question, why were the people of Athens thankful to Athena? In that extract it is given there. The people in Athens, people were grateful to goddess Athena. Why were the people of Athens thankful to Athena? Why? Because the people of Athens were thankful to Athena for inspiring them and watching over Athens. Right? They believe that goddess Athena watching over Athens, and they get inspiration from goddess Athena. So the people of Athens were very thankful to goddess Athena. And the second extract what is given there, let us see. See, you foolish girl, you think you are prettier than I am. I doubt it, and even if it were, there is more to life than beauty alone. While others work, play and learn, you do nothing but boost and admire yourself. You should have your heart in the right place. Actually, these statements are said by goddess Athena, right? Goddess Athena said to Medusa, you foolish girl, you think you are prettier than I am. And I don't believe that goddess Athena is saying that I don't think that beauty is everything, or beauty can comfort sick peoples, right? So while others work and play and learn, what you do, you boost yourself. You are telling proudly about your beauty. So goddess Athena she was very angry on Medusa, right? And she said that you should have your heart in right place. Beauty is not everything. Who said? Goddess Medusa said. See, what is the first question? Who said these words to who? Goddess Athena said these words to Medusa. Right, that is the answer. Who said these to whom? Goddess Athena said these to Medusa. And next, second question. Why was goddess Athena angry. She said all these things in angry manner, right? Why did she said? Why did she got angry? Because by seeing Medusa's attitude towards beauty, she goddess Athena got angry on her, right? See what is that? What is the answer? Goddess Athena was angry because of Medusa's pride and her attitude towards beauty. She was very pride. She was very arrogant, right? She was always she says about proudly about her beauty, and by seeing her attitude about her beauty, goddess Athena was very angry, right? This is the answer, and you have to write the question and answer in your notebook. Not only question and answer, see, extract what is given there. Some sentences are given in the textbook, no? Before the question, so you have to write those sentences also. Write these sentences and copy the question, then you write the answers. I will send these answers along with this video. And one more homework what you have, below that there is an activity, third activity. Read the statements and pick the correct answer. This activity, page number 20, last activity, this you have to do it yourself. Okay, I am not going to say the answer. See what is that first one. Medusa lived in dash. Where did Medusa live? See, options are there: London, France, Athens or Rome. Which is the right answer? You can tick there. And the second question, the Parthenon was the largest temple of Athena, the goddess of dash. Athena was goddess of, what is that? You have to tick the correct answer. Wealth, health, prosperity or wisdom. Goddess Athena was Athena, the goddess of dash. What is that? You have to tick the right word. Okay. Medusa thought she was dash than goddess Athena. Options are there: more popular, prettier, wealthier, more intelligent. What it is, you have to actually from this page number 19, from this page you can get the answer of third one. Okay, next, last question. Goddess Athena said that anyone who saw Medusa would turn into dash. Yes, goddess Athena cursed her. If any man is seeing at you, they will turn into something, she said. What it is? Snake, monster, stone or rat. What it is, you have to take that answer also. By reading this page you can get. I think not needed to read this. You may know the answers. If you don't know, if you have any doubt, you can read this page for getting last two answers. And first two answers you can get from this page number 80. Okay, this is your homework. Write the question answers neatly in your notebook and take a photo and send to me. And this also, this activity, third activity also, you have to tick in your notebook, tick in your textbook, and of course you have to write it in your notebook also. Okay, those that also I need the photo of this activity also, which you have written in your notebook. Question answer and second and third activity from page number 20. Okay.